Mathematics 5, Quarter 1, Week 3. Our topic for this week is PMDAS, the addition, subtraction, or grouping, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, or the GMDAS, or the grouping, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. We are expected to perform a series of more than 2 operations on whole numbers applying parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, or grouping, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, GMDAS correctly. To perform a series of operations on whole numbers involving more than 2 operations using PMDAS or GMDAS rules, here are the rules. So rule number 1, perform the operations within each pair of grouping symbols, parentheses, brackets, and braces, beginning with the innermost pair. So pag may makita kayong parentheses, brackets, and braces, yun ang unang nyong isosolve. Okay? So rule number 2, perform multiplication and division as they occur from left to right. So after nyo masolve yung inside the parentheses and the bracket and the braces, ang susunod nyong ipiperform or isosolve ay multiplication or division from left to right. So say for example, may naunang division. So una nyong isosolve muna si division. Kaya nga po, from left to right. Then after ng rule number 2, we are going to perform addition and subtraction as they occur from left to right. So those are the rules in performing the PMDAS or the GMDAS. Una, ang inyong isosolve ay yung may parenthesis. Then next, the multiplication and division from left to right. Then lastly, the addition and subtraction from left to right. So let us have this example. So we have here 20 plus 4 times 18 minus 12 divided by 3. Okay, so here is the PMDAS, parenthesis first, then wala naman pong exponent. Ibig sabihin ng exponent or E is exponent. So we're going to use PMDAS. Okay, so balik tayo dito sa problem. 20 plus 4 times 18 minus 12 divided by 3. So as you can see, we have a parenthesis here. Okay? May parenthesis here. So sabi, di ba, rule number 1 natin, kahit subtraction, multiplication, division, or kung ano pa yan na nasa parenthesis or nasa loob ng parenthesis, sila po muna ang ating unang isosolve. Okay? Yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, ayan. Ibaba ang 20 plus 4 times. So, 18 minus 12, we have 6. Then, copy divided by 3. Ayan. So, since here is the answer, wala ng parenthesis, ano ang susunod? Ang susunod daw ay multiplication and division from left to right. So, since we have here multiplication and division at nauna si multiplication, so si multiplication muna ang isusunod natin. So, yung plus, mamaya na yan. So, bring down 20 plus, so 4 times 6 is 24. Then, ibaba si divided by 3. Yan. So, next, 20 plus 24 divided by 3. So, hindi muna tayo mag-a-add. May division pa. So, 24 divided by 3 is, or ibaba muna natin si 20, plus 24 divided by 3 is 8. Okay? So, yan na lang ang natitira. So, since that is addition na natitira, sila na yung last natin na isosolve. So, 20 plus 8 is equal to 28. So, ganyan lang po ang pasunod-sunod ng PMDAS. So, 18, yung parenthesis muna. Then, after ng parenthesis, pag nawala na yung parenthesis, perform the multiplication. Okay? Then, division. Then, lastly, the addition. Next, 15 minus 3 plus 30 divided by 6 times 2. So, dito sa example number 2, wala tayong parenthesis. So, MDAS na lang ang gagamit or gagawin natin. So, we have 15 minus 3 plus 30. So, hindi pa tayo pwede mag-minus, mag-plus, kahit pa nasa unahan sila. Ang uunahin natin, si division or si multiplication. So, since si division ang nauna, from left to right, sila muna ang ipe-perform natin. So, yung 30 divided by 6. So, gayahin pababa, sa baba, 15 minus 3. Ayan. 15 minus 3, binaba ko lang plus. Ibababa nyo na yung sagot ng 30 divided by 6. We have 5. Then, ibaba yung times 2. Yan. So, 15 minus 3 plus 5 times 2. So, ang 5, galing po yan dito. Next, pwede na ba tayo mag-add or mag-plus? Sorry, pwede na ba tayo mag-subtract or mag-add? Not yet. Kasi meron pa tayong multiplication. Again, ibaba si 15 minus 3. Yan. Ayan. So, may sagot na. So, 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Diba? 15 minus 3 plus 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Next, we have only subtraction and addition. So, we can perform na subtraction and addition. Kung nakikita nyo dito, nauuna si addition. Depende yan. Pwedeng magpalitan sila kung sino man ang nauna sa kanila. Basta si subtraction and addition sila ang pwede magpalitan. So, since subtraction ang nauna, yun na po ang ating isosolve. So, 15 minus 3 is 12 plus 10. Yan is equal to 22. So, we have 15 minus 3 plus 30 divided by 6 is equal, times 2 is equal to 22. So, divide, times, subtract, and add. Next, we have 20 divided by 4 minus 18 minus 12 plus 3 times 5. Okay, so we have here a parenthesis. Nasa loob yung 18 minus 12 plus 3. So sila po ang ating unang gagawin kahit may division na dito. So ibaba muna natin si 20 divided by 4 minus. Ayan. So isusunod natin dito yung sagot ng tatlong nasa loob ng parenthesis. So 18 minus 12 is 16, right? Plus 3 times 5. So, pwede nyo nang diretsuhin or pwede nyo gawin pang ganito. So, ako ginawa ko nito para step by step. So, 18 minus 12 is 16 plus 3 times 5. Next, may parenthesis pa rin. So, ibaba ulit si 20 divided by 4 minus 16 plus 3. We have okay, 19. So, 16 plus 3 is 19 times 5. So, nauna nang bumaba yung nasa baba. So, ayan. So, meron na lang tayong 20 divided by 4 minus 19 times 5. So, wala nang parenthesis. So, ano na ang gagawin natin? Of course, PMDAS pa rin. Wala nang parenthesis. May division ba? Yes, meron. So, 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Okay? Then, copy minus 19 times 5. Ayan. So, may sagot na tayo. Tignan natin bakit negative 90 ang sagot. So, ayan. So, 5 minus 19 times 5. So, magsusubtract na ba? No, because there is multiplication. So, 19 times 5 first. Okay? So, ibaba ang 5. Then, 19 times 5 is 95. Okay. So, 5 minus 95 is equal to negative 90. Okay? So, that is the answer. Tatandaan, parenthesis, multiplication, division first, and division or addition or subtraction. Next, number 4. 10 minus 4 plus 30 divided by 6. So, dalawa ang nasa loob ng parenthesis. Pwede nyo na silang pagsabayin. Okay, 10 minus 4, we have 6. Plus, ibaba, 30 divided 6 is 5. So, napakasimple lang. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Okay? Here is the learning task. So, learning task 1, perform the indicated operation. Write your answer in your paper or in your notebook. So, let us have the example number 1. Okay? Or, I will give an example. So, paano siya? So, 2 plus 10 plus 7 plus 6 times 3. So, ganyan yung ginawa kong example. Yan, times 2 equals n. So, 2 plus 10 plus 6 times 3 times 2 is equal to n. So, 2 plus 10, we have 12. Then, ibaba yung plus. 6 times 3, we have 18. Times 2 equals, yun. Next, n. So, 12 plus 18, hindi pa natin siya pwedeng i-add because there is multiplication. So, uunahin natin ito. So, ibaba natin si 12 plus 12 times 8. Sorry, 18 times 2. 36 is equal to, okay, so pwede na natin silang i-add dahil sila na lang yung natitirang operation. So, 12 plus 36 is equal to 48. So, n is equal to 48. Okay? That is learning task 1. Next, learning task 2, perform the indicated operation to solve the following. Write your answer in your paper. So, yan. The same lang. Maganda siya. Wala siyang parenthesis. So, unahin nyo lang palagi ang division or multiplication before kayo mag-add or mag-subtract. So, ito, example. 10 plus 5 minus 3 times 3 plus 2. Okay? So, anong uunahin natin? Of course, yung multiplication. Okay? So, ibaba natin yung 10 plus 5 minus 3 times 3, we have 9. Ibaba yung plus 2. Okay? Ayan. Next. Addition, subtraction, addition ang natira. So, from left to right, pwede na natin silang i-add. Okay? 10 plus 5, 15 minus 9 plus 2. 15 minus 9, we have 6. Then, plus 2 is equal to 8. So, that is the final answer. So, madali lang, class. Unahin nyo lang palagi ang division and multiplication. Kahit pa nauna si addition at subtraction. Follow the rules. Next, learning task 3. Perform the indicated operation to solve the following by the following PMDAS and GMDAS rules. Write your answer in your notebook. The same process pa rin. Marami siyang may parenthesis. So, una nyong isusolve ang nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay, here's your learning activities na binigay ko. Ayan, parenthesis, multiplication, division, or the PMDAS or the GMDAS. So, dito sa activity 1, answer only kahit wala ng solution. Sa number 2, I need the solution. Write your solution on the space provided on your activity sheets. So, that's all. Math 5, Quarter 1, Week 3.